Transformations Plus offers a comprehensive Paver Patio Refresh service. We repair edges that have failed, areas that have heaved or settled over the years, and may be even possible to repair broken pavers as well. Cleaning the pavers to remove joint sand, weeds, and soil from the surface of the patio is key to creating a fresh, like new appearance. Sanding with polymeric sand that will harden in the joint lines. Also, they fight mold and weed growth. It is very essential to use the right sand. Sealing is not necessary, but many older pavers have lost color, and our penetrating sealer enhances the color and can help with refreshing of any paver patio. Ultimately, our goal is to enhance your enjoyment of your outside space by creating a fresh new look to your patio for many years to come. Call Transformations Plus today at 937-200-1226.